Good evening, everybody. I am on my browser right now. How do I know? No, not here. Okay, let's go here. Now, how do I know that I am on web version on desktop mode? Okay, it's very simple. When you open a browser, your Google Chrome browser, you would find out that you are on what's it called? You are on mobile version, which is normal. Okay, but what you now do is you click on, there is at the top right of my browser, you would see a red button that is looking like it's telling somebody to go, something to go up. Right now, why it's doing that is because my Google Chrome has expired, so I'm supposed to update it. Right, but aside that, in your own phone it will be showing three dots. Okay, so I'll click on it. Right, if I click on it, I would go to a place that says desktop site. Are you seeing from below the third the third menu item from below is desktop site? So what I'll do is I will mark it. Now, when I mark it, immediately I marked it, what happened is that, as you can see, it's already marked here. What happened is that it moved this website that I was viewing in mobile version to desktop mode. Okay, so as you can see now, I can view it as if I am working with a laptop or a desktop computer. Now, what I'll do is I'll go to web.facebook.com/ads manager/manage. Now I'll just go to the website. Right, as you can see, it will open the Facebook website like I am working with my laptop. All right, so I'll be able to see everything I'm doing on Facebook from here. As you can see, it's loading my ads manager. Right, so what I would quickly do right now is I would, okay, let me try doing the WhatsApp stuff and see if I get the same issues that you guys are getting. So for me to do that, I would go to web.facebook.com. So I'll just click on my profile. I'll just click on my icon, profile icon, and it take me to my account. Right, yeah, I just click on my, if it's not working, I'll just go to, okay, let me just go to web.facebook facebook.com. Then I'll just go to web.facebook.com. Sorry, I lost my voice, so that's why I'm sounding somehow. So if I click on web.facebook.com, it will open my Facebook account. Right, then I would go to pages. Right, yeah, pages. No, this is not how Facebook, it's supposed to be bigger. All right, so I'll go to pages. No, not here. I'm trying to find where my pages are. Oh, it's not here. Okay, I can find them through my notification tab. Whoa, is this my notification? All right. Let it just open. I think I'm having network issues, so I can check them out from here. They say Chijam's Academy has 15 likes and 7 new post likes. We ran an advert this afternoon on Chijam's Academy. I think the advert is already converting. Okay, so this is that for that. I'll just click on one of the posts so I can get into my pages, and then I can edit the page from there. Oh, I'm having a whole lot of network challenges this evening, so I think that's why it's taking time to load. Well, anyways, I think I've shown you guys how to navigate Facebook using. I've shown you how to navigate Facebook using your phone and then the web version. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tonight. We're having a class by 8 p.m. So I'll see you guys tonight. Okay.